Hey guys, Elias here with Project Symbiosis, and I'm bringing you the first batch of trail camera footage in this channel. Now, as some of you may know, me along with my team of trail cameras have been out here and there working on bringing you guys some up-close animal encounters. California is a great biome with hundreds of different little animals, so I was really excited to get this going and see what we could find. I went out to Palomar Mountain in San Diego County. Beautiful hike with lots of tall green trees towering over the trails. Being a mountainous region, I was hopeful for a specific animal to step into my camera, but instead, here's what I got. And that brings us to Squirrel Appreciation Day. Nope, no mountain lions this time. Instead, I have 1 month. Yes, let me rephrase that. 1 month's worth of footage of squirrels. Patience. Yes, I was disappointed at first. But then I started thinking about it. I looked around at the Palomar forest and I started thinking, wow, how did all these trees just grow so lush, green, tall, and beautiful? It's because of squirrels. Squirrels are nature's miniature gardeners. By complete accident, they plant seeds that one day sprout into mighty trees. When a squirrel finds a nut, they will find somewhere to store it by digging it up and coming back for it when they're hungry. They do this so often that sometimes some seeds are just left forgotten. Time passes by and eventually the forest is renewed and beautified. In some areas, squirrels may be seen as pests and even vermin, usually dealt with traps and poison. Instead of using harmful ways to repel them, using sprinkling systems, scarecrows, or owl statues, even garlic and peppermint spray are known to be effective ways to deter them away. So, now that you guys know that squirrels are not out there to drive you nuts, I challenge you to coexist with them. Pass this message along to somebody else. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new. And if you guys have any questions about wildlife, please, I'd love to help you find an answer. See you guys on the next video. Coming together for wildlife. This is Project Symbiosis.